Hello everyone, welcome back to the Legal School, your go-to spot for law, tech and everything in between. Today we are diving deep into a topic that's reshaping how we live, work and think. AI and data privacy in India, how ready are we for it? AI is everywhere, from your phone's facial recognition to legal research tools. And here's the thing, AI feeds on data and that data, it's your data. So while AI promises smarter decisions and better services, it also raises a big question. How safe is your data? How safe is our data? And that's where India's privacy law steps in. Let's see how well they are doing. AI's superpower is that it crunches huge amount of data, your shopping habits, your browsing history, even your location. And here's the catch. The more data AI has, the more risk it carries. Think about unauthorized data collection, biased algorithms, and data leaks that can wreck your reputations. India's traditional privacy framework, like the old Information Technology Act, wasn't built to handle this level of data-driven decision making. That's why we have Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023, or we call it DPDPA, to fix this gap. So what does this DPDPA says? It puts you, who is the data principal, at the center. It focuses on the consent first approach, which means that data can't be processed without your say. It focuses on transparency, which means that companies must tell you how they are using your data. It also grants rights where you can access, correct, or even delete your data. Basically, it's like turning the table. Companies can't treat your data like a leftover pizza in the fridge. Let me give you an interesting insight about the intersection of AI and data privacy. AI systems don't just process data, they learn from it. Indian law hasn't fully tackled how AI can be biased or how it explains its decisions. This is called algorithm transparency, and it's missing in the current law. Even cyber law consultants are demanding sector-specific AI guidelines because the way AI is used in health, finance, and even in legal services is very different. Right now, India's data privacy law is a general law. It doesn't go deep on how to audit AI models, how to fix biases, or how to assign responsibilities if AI goes rogue. That's a problem because AI isn't just a tool, it's a decision maker. It can reject your loan application or decide who gets hired. What will happen if it's biased? It becomes discrimination. It is no longer just a data problem. In order to solve this problem, India's future framework needs to go beyond privacy. It should include algorithm transparency so we know how decisions are made. It should be fair and accountable to avoid biases, and it should ensure security and integrate ethics to prevent AI misuse. There's also talk of an AI Act or a sectoral approach just like Europe's EU AI Act, because AI is not a one-size-fits-all. It's more like a buffet where someone has to watch the chef. So how can you be ready for the market as a lawyer who is well versed with AI and data protection law? First of all, learn the basics of AI and data privacy as your client will expect it. Next is drafting clear privacy notice and AI disclaimers. Third is staying updated with the recent amendments or laws because India's AI policy is evolving fast. Lastly, be the lawyer who bridges the gap between tech and law. So there you have it, the wild world of AI and data privacy in India. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on law, tech and everything in between. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and remember, your data is your power.